Guys, for today's video, ayoko rin sanang gawan ng video na to, but due to insistent demand nyo ng mga viewers, kailangan natin reviewin to. This is the CIMB's promotion about 25% per annum interest rate starting from November 1 to December 31. Ang laki, di ba? 25% per annum. Pero ano yung catch? Well, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Yan guys, so kinontak na ako ng mga kaibigan ko, may mga comments na rin dyan sa comment section about this promotion na i-review ko daw yung CIMB 25%. Okay, so ito na po. So, sabi dito, 25% per annum year-end promotion. Promo runs from November 1 to December 31, 2024. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng slight background na. Si CIMB, ang interest crediting niya ay per month. And nagbe-base siya sa average daily balance. Whereas itong mga online banks natin like Maya, Cbank, Ownbank, well, they are basing it on a day-end balance. So, basically, kung ano yung balance mo before mag 12 o'clock midnight, kakalculate nila yung interest nun and then i-credit din nila sa'yo kinabukasan. So yan, naka-base yan sa end of day balance. Kay CIMB naman, ang ginagawa dyan is sinasum up lahat ng end of day balance mo from day 1 hanggang day 30, tapos i-divide sa number of days. For November, day 1, November 1, isasum yung end of day balance niyan hanggang November 30, and then i-divide by 30 because November has 30 days. And then, you will arrive at the average daily balance for November. And based dun sa average daily balance na yon, dun ka bibigyan ng interest. Madaling intindihin sa mga well-versed sa math or sa calculation. However, yung ibang tao medyo maguguluhan dito. Okay. So, check muna natin yung eligibility. Customer must have at least one and unblocked GSave or UpSave account. Other deposit accounts are not eligible. So, basically, GSave and UpSave lang daw yung eligible. All of the additional promo interest rewards are inclusive or of other interest rate campaign. Magbabawas pa tayo dyan ng tax na 20% tax. Get up to 25% to welcome 2025. For new and existing customers, earn 3.5% per annum interest on all your balances this month. No cap. So, basically, ito na yung magiging base na interest for all existing. Ang ibig sabihin nito is that regular na interest rate ng UpSave and GSave na 2.5%, well, magi-increase yan to 3.5%. Meron ka na agad na 1% na increase. And this is without depositing pa. Automatic yan. Pangalawang tier nila or pangalawang way to increase your interest. So, madadagdagan ka daw ng additional na 2% kapag na-increase mo yung average daily balance mo by 1,000 pesos. Coming from your October average daily balance, kailangan yung buong month ng November, pag kinompute yung average daily balance, mas mataas by 1,000 pesos. For example, nung October, walang laman ang inyong bank account, and then November 1, naglagay kayo ng 1,000 at hindi nyo na ginalaw hanggang November 30 or hanggang December 1, well, we can say that your average daily balance for November is 1,000 pesos. Then, yung 1,000 pesos mo ay magkakaroon ng additional 2% na bonus apart from the 3.5%. So, basically, 5.5% ang magiging interest nung November mo. Though, take note guys na ang bibigyan lang ng additional 2% dito is the increase. Earn additional 4.5% if you grow your average daily balance naman na 5,000 pesos. An additional 6.5% naman kung napalago mo yung average daily balance mo ng 10,000 pesos. And additional 8.5% if you grow your average daily balance by 50,000. Okay. An additional example naman. For example, ang average daily balance mo ng October ay 10,000 pesos. And then, by November, naglagay ka ng additional 1,000, thus making your November ADB at 11,000 pesos. So, ang difference between the previous month na ADB with November ay 1,000 pesos. So, basically, yung 11,000 pesos na wala ka namang gagawin na any mission or deposit, mag-earn na kagad yan ng 2.5% na base interest plus 1% na promo interest, thus 3.5%. So, 11,000 yon. And then, yung difference naman ng ADB between October and November, yung 1,000 pesos, ay magkakaroon ng 2% na interest. Kapag ang ADB increase naman ay 5,000 pesos, then magkakaroon ng 4.5% increase in ADB. That's additional. And then, kung 10,000 pesos naman ang difference ng ADB between October and November, magkakaroon ka pa ng additional na 6.5%. Tapos, kung 50,000 naman ang naging ADB or average daily balance difference ng October to November, then magkakaroon ka pa ng additional na 8.5%. In our example, na 10,000 yung ADB natin ng October, tapos naglagay tayo ng 50,000 ng November, makikita natin dito na ang naging ADB natin for November ay 60,000. And then, ang increase na ADB natin from October ay 50,000. So, kung makikita nyo yung calculation natin, ito yung magiging net interest per additional na bonus interest. So, sa 3.5%, which is the basic, yung ADB nating 60,000 ay magkakaroon ng net interest na 140 pesos. Yung increase na ADB na 50,000 pesos, magkakaroon niya na 2%, 4.5%, 6.5%, 8.5%, and ito nasa baba naman yung net interest nila. So, kapag tinutal natin itong interest from 3.5%, 2%, 4.5%, 6.5%, 8.5%, na total of 25%, it would give us around 856.67 pesos. Yan yung interest na makukuha nyo for the month of November. Kung gusto mong i-avail yung up to 25% per annum na interest, well, coming from your ADB of October, dapat November 1 pa lang ay nakapaglagay na kayo ng 50,000 pesos or more. And hindi nyo gagalawin yung balance nyo up to the end of November. And then, pagdating ng December, ang base na ng average daily balance of previous month ay yung November. Yun na yung pagbabasihan. Ngayon, sa December, kung gusto mo ulit na magkaroon ng up to 25% per annum na interest rate, kailangan mo ulit mag-deposit ng 50,000 pesos ulit. That is for you to be eligible for the 25% interest per annum. And kung i-compare naman natin to with other digital banks na may mataas na interest, siguro si Own Bank na 6%, 50,000 times 0.06, 3,000 times 0.8, 2,400 divided by 360 days. 360 days lang kay Own Bank, 6.67 times 0.8 times 30, well, ang kikitain lang ng 50,000 nyo with Own Bank at 6% ay 160 pesos. So definitely, malaki itong 25% na interest na ino-offer ni CIMB. So kung meron kayong extra, why won't I be depositing money dito kay CIMB? Just make sure guys na i-calculate nyo ng tama. Lalo na ngayon, halos kalagitnaan na tayo ng November at ngayon pa lang kayo maglalagay. Kailangan yung i-compensate yung mga days na hindi kayo nakapag or hindi nyo na-meet yung end of day balance para ma-meet nyo the 25% interest per annum na promotion ni CIMB. So, I'm not sure if I made this explanation clearly, but let me know sa comment section sa baba in case na meron kayong question about this promotion ni CIMB. For our question of the day, napakalaki na itong interest na binibigay ni CIMB. What if meron naglagay dyan ng milyones talaga, no? Ang laki nun. Sa tingin nyo, what's the reason behind CIMB's 25% promotion? Kailangan ba nila ng additional deposit to lure more people, etc.? Let me know sa comment section sa baba kung ano yung idea nyo why this promotion exists. Yun lamang po for today's video. But before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Mark Angelo Galope. Sabi niya, magandang buhay po Sir Pat. Sobrang thankful po dahil sa mga napapanood ko na videos or reviews nyo. Pa-shoutout lang po from Nueva Ecija. Godspeed po. Saludo. At Mark Angelo Galope, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Sana nakatulong po sa inyo. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!